Hey folks, happy Saturday morning. I want to share a couple tips for making blueberry pancakes. You always want to get your griddle nice and preheated at a medium temperature. And you see these berries I have here. I add another berry, not just blueberries, but added some cherries here and lemon. And you get the most flavor out of lemon by grating the peel, and you can put it right into the dry mix. I like using a complete pancake mix. It's just the mix and water, 2 cups of mix, 1 cup of water. Makes it a lot easier on a Saturday morning. You just want to stir it until you get the major lumps. Always want to oil the griddle after every batch and give it a nice wipe. I like to spray the measuring cup here that I have with a little nonstick spray. It makes the batter come out a little easier. And I'm not precious about the shape of these. If they're a little longer to fit the griddle, I'm fine with that. And then here comes all the fruit. I put a ton on. I really like it. Berries, cherries, and blueberries. You can also add strawberries to really elevate this. Lots of that. Be careful when you turn them. There you go. That's very nice. And looks like, oh, there's a blueberry. I'll take that. And look how they come out nice and steamy. All that steam's coming from the fruit that's cooking there. 2 of those per serving. Lots of berries, lots of vitamin C. Butter, of course. And lots of syrup. That's how I like it. Thanks for watching, folks.